have not been camping since I was a child, but we are going camping for Mother's Day weekend. Okay, son. But I'm still nervous and I'm going to forget something. So I'm gonna pull out everything that I've bought so far to go camping and make like a checklist of what I still need. So if there's anything that I definitely need, you let me know. Counting on you. But I found one of these air chairs I'm wondering we're gonna test out. Alright, let's test it out. Got enough wind to blow my phone down, but not enough to blow the stupid chair up. Now I know why this thing was at the thrift store. I don't remember what I paid for this thing, but I think it was a waste of money.
Yeah, Mom.
You want to take it camping?
Yeah.
I don't know.